Yes friends, how are you? How's your life going on? Today we are going to talk about subject verb agreement. Next part, subject verb agreement. Okay. So this is a table. Okay. Now we will get all these things one by one. Here serial number, words, noun, pronoun, and verb. Okay. First number. Okay. No uncountable noun, singular verb. Okay, no uncountable noun, singular verb. Second, no single countable noun, okay, and singular verb. Right. Next, 1/3 of, 3/4 of, the rest of, a quarter of, part of, 10% of, 20% of, uncountable noun, okay, singular verb. Okay. Next, 1/3 of, 3/4 of, the rest of, a quarter of, part of, the percent of, 20% of, plural countable noun, plural verb. Okay. This one, this one, this one. Okay. Next, 1/3 of, 3/4 of, the rest of, a quarter of, part of, 10% of, 20% of, plural countable noun and plural verb. Okay. Next, most of, some of, half of, enough of, not enough of, plenty of, a lot of, lots of, uncountable noun, singular verb. Right. Next, most of, some of, half of, enough of, not enough of, plenty of, a lot of, lots of, plural countable noun, plural verb. Right. Next, the percentage of, uncountable noun, plural countable noun, okay, singular verb. Okay. More than one, single countable noun, singular countable noun, singular verb. Okay. More than 2, 3, etc. plural countable noun and plural verb. Right. More plural countable noun plus than 1. Okay. Plural verb. Right. So friends, now we will take example. Okay. Yes, let's take example. Okay. I explain example over here. Okay. No water was present in the glass. In the glass. Okay. No water was present in the glass. No uncountable noun, water, singular verb was, okay, present in the glass. No uncountable noun and singular verb. Okay. We talk about first thing. Right. No water was present in the glass. Okay. Second, no, according to table, no student, okay, was present in the classroom. In the classroom. Okay. No singular countable noun. Okay. Student, no student was present, singular verb. Okay. Second thing, okay. No student was present in the class. Okay. Next, third, one 1/3 of the work has been finished. Right? 1/3 of the work has been finished. 1/3 of. 1/3 of. Okay. Uncountable noun of the work. Okay. Singular verb. Okay. We have used. So 1/3 of the work has been finished. Okay. 1/3 of the students have taken exam. Okay. 1/3 of the students have taken exam. Okay. 1/3. Okay. Plural countable noun. Okay. 1/3 of students. Okay. Plural verb have. Okay. Here 1/3 of the work has been finished. Okay. 1/3 of uncountable singular verb. Right. Next, fourth point. 1/3 of plural countable noun. Okay. Plural verb. So 1/3 of the students have taken exam. Okay. Next. Most of, some of, half of, enough of, not enough of, plenty of, a lot of, lots of. Okay. Most of the knowledge is gained by experience. Most of the knowledge is gained by experience. Most of. Okay. Uncountable noun. Okay. Singular verb. Okay. Most of, uncountable noun, and singular verb is gained by experience. Okay. Next, sixth point. Half of the candidates have taken exam. Half of the candidates have taken exam. Okay. Half of. Okay. PCN. Plural verb. Okay. So half of the candidates have taken exam. Okay. Next. Next, seventh, the percentage of successful candidates, the percentage of successful candidates is 5. The percentage of okay, successful candidates, okay, singular verb is 5. The percentage of successful candidates is 5. Okay. Next, more than one. one student was present in the class. More than one. So more than one student, singular verb, was present. Singular verb, okay, was present in the class. Okay, so more than one student was present in the class. Okay, next. Next, ninth, more than 2, 3, etc. Plural countable noun, plural verb. Okay. Ninth, more than 2 candidates were admired. Okay. More than 2 candidates were admired. Okay. Or we can write over here, have been admired. More than 2, plural countable noun. Okay. More than this one. Okay. Plural verb, were or have been. Okay. Were admired or have been admired. Okay. Next. 10th. More, plural countable noun, plants than one. Were made. More plants than one were made. More, plural countable noun, than one, plural verb, was made. Okay. So friends, we discussed the subject agreement today. Okay, so once again, no uncountable noun, singular verb, no singular countable noun, singular verb, 1/3 of, 3/4 of, that is the rest of, a quarter of, part of, 10% of, 20% of. Okay, uncountable noun, singular verb. Okay, same thing, plural countable noun, plural verb. Okay. Fifth, most of, some of, half of, enough of, not enough of, plenty of, a lot of, lots of, uncountable noun, singular verb. Okay. Same thing, plural countable noun, plural verb. The percentage of uncountable noun, plural countable noun, singular verb. More than one, singular countable noun, singular verb. More than 2, 3, etc. Plural countable noun, plural verb. More, plural countable noun and plural verb. Okay. So I hope you will enjoy this video. Okay. Thank you very much.